Recently, our Gwen Napier got a chance to speak with some medical professionals about the effects of heat. They explain the importance of keeping children and pets safe while in a vehicle.
With the temperatures rising as we go into the summer months, leaving a child or an animal in the car could be dangerous and detrimental to their health. This might be a white car, but it can still get pretty warm inside. To show you just how warm it's going to get, we're going to try to bake some cookies on the dash. According to Johns Hopkins Medicine, temperatures inside a locked car can reach 170 degrees Fahrenheit and can reach these temperatures even when the outside air temperature is only in the 60s. A child's body surface area makes them extremely vulnerable to these spikes in temperature, with those under 4 being at a greater risk due to their smaller size.
The temperature can go up 20 degrees in 10 minutes, and that's such a short time, and that's, when things can happen, when they can start showing signs and organs start shutting down and they can get really sick.
Not only are hot cars dangerous for children, but they also possess the same dangers for animals. 12 News spoke with Dr. Gabriella Mascaro, an associate veterinarian at Fairmont Vet Hospital, about the impact a hot car can have on an animal.
Our animal patients, dogs, cats especially, they have a number of physiological and physical differences compared to human, which put them at an increased risk of heat stroke.
Many new cars have features that will help keep your car cool inside for animals or remind you to check your back seat. Officials say that even though these new advances are nice, they should not always be trusted.
Cars that have alerts that can come up on your phone, or your car that will say, check your back seat. But again, you have to check those alerts. So
you didn't set it and you thought you set it, and then you come back and your dog is bright red and breathing really hard and you don't know what to do next. So I still wouldn't do it even with those big fancy cars.
The cookies have now been in the car for about an hour, and they aren't baked all the way, as you can see, but they have started to drop down and have started the baking process. I'm going to sit in the car for about 5 minutes to see how long I can attempt this and how brutal it is. All right, we just hit 3 minutes. I'm starting to sweat a lot more. I can feel myself starting to sweat. I am in a tank top and some pretty light pants, so I should be cooler than, imagine, a dog with fur or a cat with fur who doesn't have the same sweat glands as we do. They don't really sweat. So definitely it would be very dangerous for a dog or a cat to be in here for sure. So remember to check your back seat and keep cool.